By the time you're watching this video, I have already slept a few times on the Therm-a-Rest NeoAir UberLite, but this will be just an unboxing video. So let's see what's this. This is the newest mattress from Therm-a-Rest, released in 2019. As you can see, it's very small, and according to the official data, it weighs only 250 grams. Still, it has a thickness of 6.4 centimeters. This makes it the lightest full coverage mattress on the market. That's how it looks like next to the Therm-a-Rest ProLite and next to the TrangoWorld Micro Air. Why did I buy it? An important difference compared to the ProLite is that the ProLite has a thickness of only 2.4 centimeters. And after being forced to buy this TrangoWorld last year in Norway, I realized how much more comfortable a mattress having a 6 centimeter thickness is compared to one having 2.4 centimeters thickness. Also, because this year in Iceland we will be camping even more nights than in Norway, I decided to invest in this NeoAir UberLite. Additionally, considering how small and light it is, it will be good for backpacking trips as well. So let's start with the unboxing. Usually I start by reading everything on the box. Here we have the official data: 51 centimeters width, 183 centimeters length. And what about this R value? Practically it says how warm the mattress is. And this is the biggest question I have regarding this mattress, because in Iceland it won't be warm, obviously, even if we are going at the end of June and are staying till mid-July. The ProLite, which I purchased the first out of these three, has an R value of 2.4, and the Micro Air, which also has Primaloft isolation, has an R value of 3.2. In the northern part of Norway, the warmth difference became clear between the Micro Air and the ProLite. So the warmth is my biggest question regarding the UberLite, but Iceland will be a good test for this, and later I will make a video about the results. Alpinists and gram counters have a new standard for ultralight comfort. The absolute lightest insulated air mattress available, minimal pack size, shrinks down smaller than any NeoAir ever. Crucial warmth, the best air value of any sub 300 gram mattress. Triangular core matrix something, providing a more stable sleep surface. And it also comes with a stuff sack and a repair kit. Nothing else interesting on the box. Here we have the receipt. I have ordered it from the UK from FaceWest, and I have also used the discount. This way I have paid 122 British pounds. So it wasn't cheap, but considering it's a new model and the specs, I think it's not that expensive either. So let's see what's inside the box. Regarding weight, officially the ProLite should be 510 grams and the Micro Air 440 grams. But I will measure all three on my kitchen scale and include the results in the video. By the way, the Micro Air also has a repair kit, but the ProLite has not. Risk of suffocation. Babies younger than 15 months should be not placed on an inflatable mattress. When used by children over 15 months old, provide at least a shoulder width space between the mattress and vertical objects. And always keep the mattress fully inflated. And here we have the mattress itself. This is the repair kit with some instructions and a user guide. Here we have instructions how to inflate, how to deflate, how to store, how to repair when necessary, and how to clean. Theoretically, it should fit inside this. Let's see how easy it is to stuff it inside. It's a little bit noisy. For the first time it was easy to stuff it into the stuff sack. ProLite, UberLite, Micro Air UberLite. It's definitely small. Let's see what's inside the repair kit. We have two small dots and some alcohol for some reason, and one more patch, and the instructions to repair. There should be a video somewhere on how to repair it. So we need a repair kit, a pan, and some scissors. First we need to find the hole by putting the mattress inside water. Where the bubbles come out, we mark the spot with the pan, deflate the mattress, dry it. Okay, so first we clean it with the alcohol. After it has dried, we put on the dot and push on one side, then cover it with the patch, if I understand correctly. And the same thing in German and in French. Okay, now we know how to repair it. Let's see this one. To inflate the mattress, first unroll it, then open the valve. That's different from what I've been doing before. Blow air into the first half of the mattress, then push it to the bottom. Interesting. Up until now, I've just simply inflated my mattresses. Then, of course, you can adjust the firmness using the valve. Okay, nothing new on how to deflate. We have to store it with an open valve and inside the stuff sack to protect it from dirt and sharp objects. We have already read the repair process. And for cleaning, inflate it and use a soft brush and detergent. Tips to protect your mattress. Yes, of course, when we leave it in the hot tent, we open the valve so it doesn't explode. Don't put it on rocks or sharp stuff. Don't use it for swimming. Don't put it close to fire or sparks. Don't inflate it with a high pressure pump. Do not contaminate it with DEET, which is an insect repellent. Also avoid sunscreen or chlorine. Do not expose it to sunlight. Always carry it in the stuff sack and keep it away from your pets, because dogs love to chew on the valves and cats like to sharpen their claws on the mattress. Limited lifetime warranty. This is the usual stuff. It protects only against material and workmanship defects. Mattresses older than 2 years may be replaced with a cosmetically irregular mattress. So those sent back by someone else and those with some workmanship defects, I guess. And of course, normal wear is not covered and shipping charges must be covered by you. Okay, we are done with this as well, so let's inflate it. First of all, let me remember how it was folded, so I can reproduce it later. Oh yeah, I forgot about it. It's made in Ireland. It's written on the box as well. From what I can tell, it was folded in 4. Yes, you can see the marks. The valve is the same system, so let's see how many blows do I need. If I pass out, the video will be more interesting. 5 blows until now. Let's follow the instructions and push the air to the bottom. My guess is that it will need much more than 10 blows. So up until now, 5. Now we're at 10. 20 is my guess. 17 or 18, something like that. This is how it looks like. It's not that noisy. And hopefully it won't be hard to deflate and put it back into the stuff sack. If you are unsure about the gear that you need for a one-day hike, go to my website and subscribe to my email list so you will get a free checklist which contains all the gear that I recommend for day hikes in the Carpathian Mountains. Don't forget to subscribe. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button and leave me a comment with the reason you didn't like it so I can improve myself. And don't forget that you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. And if you want to support me, you can do that on PayPal and Patreon.